What's up, guys? Welcome to Absolute Value Practice Problems Level Medium. All right, let's do it. Okay, so it says which of the following is a solution to the equation x squared minus 32 minus 15 equals 0. So we have a nice quadratic equation, and we are going to solve this just like any single variable equation via isolation. So we got to get this guy by itself. So the first step with absolute value problems is, first and foremost, we've got to isolate whatever is within absolute value symbols. Then we bifurcate, then we split into two separate equations. So first things first, let me write this out as x squared minus 32 in absolute value minus 15 equals 0. Let's get the 15 out of there so we can isolate our absolute value, and we have x squared minus 32 equals 15. Now we can split this up. We're gonna go like this, and we've got x squared minus 32 equals 15. So the first time we split it, we just take the absolute value off and leave the equation as is. So that's the first permutation. The second one, we are going to do the same thing almost, except we are going to flip the whatever's outside of that absolute value symbol, we are going to flip that into a negative. So now we've got our two nice equations that we can solve, and of course we are going to get two values for this equation. So x squared, so let's go ahead and isolate. So we got x, we're gonna add 32 to both sides, right? Do the opposite, isolate x. We got x squared equals, what is 15 plus 32? That is 47. All right, and so now x equals, okay, so we can isolate x by taking the square roots of both sides, and we got x equals square root of 47. Cool, that is one option. So what is the other one? So now we are going to do the same thing. We're going to add 32 to both sides. So I'm gonna just do this in my head. You can use a calculator if need be. So we've got x squared equals 32 minus 15, which gives us, of course, 17. And we're going to isolate in the same way to get rid of that square. Take the square root of both sides. We get x equals square root of 17. So those are our two solutions. So all these guys are nixed except for B. Final answer and done.